Breaking news coming out of the United States tonight. The former President Donald Trump is once again making headlines after a major announcement that's quickly spreading across Washington and the entire country. According to early reports, Trump addressed supporters and hinted that a big political move could be coming soon. The statement immediately sparked reactions from both supporters and critics across America. Several political analysts say this could have a significant impact on the upcoming political landscape in the United States. Meanwhile, officials in Washington are closely watching the situation as discussions continue among lawmakers and political leaders. Right now, Americans across the country are reacting online, with many debating what this could mean for the future of US politics. So the big question tonight is, will this announcement actually change the political direction of the United States? What do you think about this development? Let me know in the comments.